I'm here at Dundas Square, and I'm going to be asking people what they think about Rob Ford and if they think he should resign. Do you think Rob Ford should resign?
Yeah, I think Rob Ford should resign because I think that there's a certain decorum that has to be practiced by public figures. And the fact that he has alluded to the fact that this is his private life and it's separate from his public life, but it's not when you're a politician. When you're a politician, your private life becomes public, and what you do in your private life does affect your public life as well. And as a result, I think he should go.
He can come back if he resigns, but if he sticks around, I believe he won't be even able to win his consulate position.
Do you think Rob Ford should resign?
Yes, I do.
And why is that?
Well, I think he needs to take a break. He needs help for his own safety and for the safety of others. He really should resign and pass the torch.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yes, I do think he should resign because he's confessed to doing illegal things, and we need a representative for our city who is upfront and good, who aspires to doing good things, not illegal things.
I don't particularly care about whether Rob Ford resigns. What I care about is the fact that the agenda that Rob Ford stands for, of austerity and cutbacks, is being implemented in the city of Toronto. And if they have this buffoon on their hands that they can't control, that's their problem. I'm much more concerned about the cuts and the misery and the actual political agenda that's being implemented, whether by Rob Ford, his brother, Norm Kelly, or whomever.
I think there are a multitude of reasons that anyone with a rudimentary sense of decency would have resigned by now. One of the things I'm concerned about is that the focus is all on the alleged crack smoking and not on, for instance, how a young black man named Anthony Smith ended up dead, which is of a lot of concern to me. I'd also like to see more discussion of the fact that when he says he's been our most fiscally responsible mayor ever, he is lying. I think the drunk driving, the crack smoking, the barreling down other councillors in council chambers, all of those are good reasons to resign, but he has also been a bad mayor and he's involved potentially in some really disturbing things that I think we're being distracted from in some ways.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.